We are going to surprise you with our amazing model technology. Not only model can recognize tumor of heart and brain, also models can recognize the heart sound, whether it is normal or abnormal. First, let us tell you that the approaches which we are going to use are computer vision and artificial intelligence. Firstly, what we need to do with the model, we need to insert and put the different sounds of heart in the model just to train it. When it trained completely, you can see that we are trying and checking various sounds from our system, and it is telling us the sound names and telling that which is normal and which is abnormal. So this is very convenient and easygoing model for the medical world and for the clinics as well.